Hi and good day. Bonjour. We are from UniKL MFI and our team is Sambal Shrimp Paste. We are going to explain our progress in the Arduino drone BCI contest. So the first thing to explain in this video is actually the BCI itself, the MinData chip. So what we have done, the progress is actually the mechanical stuff. We have soldered every electrode to the MinData, and we already solder the UART to the MinData chip, and it can be connected to the PC. Um, so to show the progress, we have a window here. We're using Python to communicate between the PC and the MinData chip. This is our program for the connection between PCI, the MinData chip to the PC for collecting data from the MinData. From the MinData, we got this data. Alright, so the data that we have shown you before. The problem for that is actually it gave us trash data, meaning the data we can't use it. That is because from what we have asked people about it, maybe the mechanical, the soldering part is there's something wrong with the soldering, or the coding itself, they have some mistake there. Our solution for that is actually MATLAB, and we have contacted our lecturers in MATLAB to actually teach us MATLAB so that we can connect the MinData to MATLAB so that we can change the data into a waveform so we can understand it better and use it to control the drone.
For the Bluetooth part, we have a few problems where the Bluetooth can't find the other Bluetooth. So we have our own BT05 with version we have our own BT05 as you can see here with version 02. The problem with this Bluetooth is, as you can see, it responds well with certain command, certain AT command. But for certain others like role, which should be used to set the master or slave mode, it responds as error. Yeah. So we cannot because and other command as well like INQ for inquiry. It's also respond error and con also. So due to this limitation, we cannot proceed our Bluetooth because it cannot scan for it cannot change into master. It cannot scan for other Bluetooth devices for drone, and also it cannot connect. So our solution is we try to buy another Bluetooth with BT05A, which should be the same as the drone. We don't know what the problem with this our current Bluetooth, so we buy a new one, and we are still waiting for the Bluetooth to arrive. So in the meantime, we are proceeding with other stuff like drones, PID, and BCI. That's all for the Bluetooth.
Okay, hi. Present about the drone. Alright, so like hardware stuff. Okay, for the drone, actually we have made some DIY, which is we can see that the drone we need to make a hole for the wiring and to connect with the UART. Then actually there's a problem where the wire have tear off. Then we need to like cover it back, like making female jumper and connect with it. Okay, then for the connector, sensor pad, the MinData, we have solder like the circuit show and the UART. So basically we can see in the circuit positive negative stage 1, positive negative MGND, GND, VCC, TX, RX. Then we use the box as the body, so that we we can avoid from the electrostatic. And yeah, the drone we have been test. The motor is okay, and we also use the sample coding motor, and yeah, it's work. Okay, thank you.
So that's all from us. So from this video, you can know that we have a few problems that we already have the solution for it. So the problem for the Bluetooth, we already buy a new one, so that we can go with the drone PID after the Bluetooth is here and it is fully connected and doing fine. And the PCI itself, we are planning to use MATLAB with the guidance of a lecturer that is actually pretty good in MATLAB itself. That is all from Sambal Shrimp Paste from UniKL MFI. Au revoir.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink?